I've attended my share of fancy balls and masquerades. A few elegant moves can turn all the right heads. Figured it was time to brush up on my skills. I wouldn't want to fail my new partner. Maybe, but I'm not so keen to perform solo. A duet's always been more my style. Which is to say, may I have this dance? Our hearts can keep time. Bravo! Bravo! Now, perhaps we might try a more intimate style. Well, it's getting late. We can't face the morrow if we don't bid farewell to the now. Thank you. For the dance, I mean. I won't forget it.